this was my spot for tonight. It's at a friend's house. Visited some friends that I haven't seen in forever. Since I haven't been down here, because it's 1,500 miles away from where I live. Oh, so yeah. Holy cow, it's cold in here. But yeah, we got 3-hour drive. Thank you guys for letting me stay. Good seeing you guys. Off to Taos to climb a mountain, my first mountain of the trip, hopefully. Driving through Corrales. I think I got about 3 hours to Taos, which puts me up there right around noon. That'll give me 5 hours of sunlight. Should be good. Find a camp spot on the way up. That way I can just pull in on the way down, and should all work out today. Got the big old Sandia. Big old Sandia. And this is Rio Rancho. Back when I used to fly hot air balloons a lot, this was the place to land. Yeah, so you just fly down the valley. I used to like to fly up the valley and then land somewhere out in this area where there's a little bit of space and less wires. Another about hour and a half till we get to the trailhead. It'll get prettier here in a minute. I don't see a lot of snow, so that I'm just gonna be climbing on the mountain apparently, which is fine, I guess. Brought a lot of gear for no reason, I guess, on this trip. But oh well, it's better to be over prepared, I suppose. Should probably stop turning the camera, but that's the way I'm looking. Is Mount Wheeler. A little bit of snow on this side. This is the south side. I don't know if I'm gonna have to take snowshoes even. We'll see when we get to the valley. What this inside, what the north side of the mountain looks like. Into the mountains we go. Into the mountains we go. We're at noon, 7,800 feet at the moment. Temperature 56. Forget what height we're going to. We're going up quite a ways though, I think. Well, I think we're going down this valley, or up this valley. Anyway, see you at the top. Well, I'll probably video on the way up if it's safe. Gotta be on the lookout for campsites as well. The whole, where are we at? We're at 9,500 feet. The whole ski lift area is open. Holy shit, that is a steep fucking run. Wow. So there's people skiing, but I'm going up. I don't think there's gonna be enough snow to even use snowshoes. I don't know, we'll see when I get up there. 9,500 feet, 53 degrees, 1220. We've been climbing for quite a while. Truck, perfectly cool. I wonder how many people are gonna be doing this. This is busy. I'm fucking blown away here. Steep fucking hill. I'm taking one ice axe, cramp-ons, and micros. If I have to come back for snowshoes, that'll be lame, but that's what I'll do. What time we got? 1:26. 1:26. Alright, see you, Chuck. See you, trailhead. There's like almost no snow here. There's people skiing everywhere up on this side. Those are some steep runs too. It's kind of impressive. I haven't skied in years. I'm fucking warm though. I can't remember which, is it that peak? I don't know, I'll look on the map, I can't remember. Or if it's, I think it's behind this one. But either way, we're getting to the top today. 5 years ago I failed because I was a noob. I was wearing jeans, no snowshoes. Not the correct gear. I was post holing up to my armpits. It was a very unsafe operation. No GPS. But yep. Guess that's the starting elevation here. I thought it was higher up. Yeah, whatever. It's pretty. This might be quite the experience today. I gotta be honest, I'm fucking dying. I'm 10% there. So just 9 more of those. If the temperature could go down, it is freaking hot. I am ready to take my shirt off. I kind of feel like I overpacked, being honest. You don't want to die, so fuck it. Got a long ways to go. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I'm really starting to question my abilities. But I forgot a kickstart. Ugh. Now I don't know if I can make it to summit. Without a kickstart? Ugh. What in the hell was I thinking? Ugh. Man. I got my pulse under 150 for the first time in a half hour. That's good. Alright. We're making her. Maybe, I don't know. I should have brought oxygen. Oxygen and a kickstart would have been fucking mint for sure. Okay, things I regret not bringing: a kickstart and an extra pair of socks. I just had to take my gaiters off because my feet and ankles were actually fucking screaming hot, sweating, so I need to. Yeah, I took my gaiters off, let these things breathe since I'm not sinking. Put them back on when I start sinking in the snow. We'll make the lake at least. That's like just straight up 1,000 feet. How long my lungs are gonna do it. Well, I made it to the split, so I'm gonna go take a break by the lake, I think. Go decide what I want to do for the day. Yeah, I'm guessing the snowshoes might have been a good idea. We'll see, we'll see. Williams Lake. Williams frozen area at the moment. Well, that's a start. Now we can look up at the hill I want to climb. See how bad it looks. Williams Lake. Wheeler Peak. Maybe I could go for that. That might not be as high. Let's Wheeler Peak up there. And this is Lake Williams, 11,100 feet at the moment. That sun is stupidly bright, but lots of people skiing. I'm just letting my feet dry out a little bit, cool off. I'm gonna go for a little bit of it. I think I'm gonna put cramp-ons on. I think that's the play. All right. Break time's done. We're gonna go for tree line and hopefully be able to see sunset. I don't know. We'll see. One of those mountains is really tall, but I think that's only 11,800. So if I make it to 12,000, I should be all right. 12,000, new goal. That's 1,000 short of the summit, so it's only 1,000 feet up, halfway. That ain't bad. I would really rather have snowshoes on, but this is better than just boots, I think. They're like really grippy. Weird. We're gonna try for somewhere up there. I'm not making that. Well, I might. You never know. You never fucking know. But, alright. It is 3:55. Sunset is in an hour and 55 minutes. Hour and 55 minutes. Hour and a half to make it 1,000 feet to 12,000, because I'm at 11. I want to go to 12. We'll get to 12. 12 is the goal. Come on, 12. This is actually the first time I've had these on. So it'll be interesting to see how it goes. The sun's almost down, but it doesn't go down for a long time. It's gonna get dark in here. And then I'll put layers on. Here's the split. All right. We're gonna, like I said, 900 feet. But who knows? See how soft it is? There's a trail at least. Should be alright. So far it's a trail that stays on top. And the sun's down. It should just start hardening up now, right? It's the theory that I'm going off of. Alright, I want both hands. I really wish I had my snowshoes and not these stupid things. Because now I'm back in the sunlight, which means this is going to be soft. Snowshoes don't sink. Wow, not on this stuff. Oh, damn it. But I had 2 less pounds on my back. Well, maybe I would have brought them anyway. Ugh. Okay, keep it moving. It's going pretty good, actually. I don't know, I'm not even looking at altitude. I'm just watching my heart rate. Keeping my heart rate. Trying to keep it at like 160. 160, 165. I mean, I'd like it lower, but we're going uphill with this fucking thing on. It's not that heavy. It's probably only 25 pounds. I don't know. I have no idea. But, alright, I'm going to use both hands again. Now I'm too far to this side of the trail, and this is like barely a trail, but whoa. This snow needs to harden up, get cool. But we're pretty much just going straight up instead of switchback somewhere in this mountain woods. I wish I had snowshoes. Yes. That is where I've been holding my heart rate. Am I out of shape? I think I just got over a cold and I think I weigh 200 pounds. So, yep, I am fucking out of shape and fat going up a mountain. And yet I'm in better shape than 90% of Americans probably right at the moment. My diet's probably healthier than a lot more. But, alright. Well, not really right now. Never mind. Scratch that. Well, I guess I caught back up. I got an hour. This isn't the trail. The trail's like, I don't know. The two trails that people made are both wrong. I don't think this is very deep. If I had snowshoes, this would be 1,000 times easier, like I've said. This isn't as enjoyable. Because I have to actually use poles. With snowshoes, I'd be up there already. But whatever. All right, we are mountain. I wish I had snowshoes so freaking bad. I'm gonna try to get to this grass and hike on the edge of the snow. That ground should be frozen. If I had snowshoes, I'd fucking whatever. I'm fine. I'm making it. 11,400. Pulse 160, 5 o'clock. So I got half hour, 45 minutes. All right, let's go. I don't remember if I say it on this side or the other side, but man, do I end up in some cool fucking places. Shallow snow. Rocky, but breaking the cramp-ons in for sure. I'm getting there. This is a lot steeper than it looked. About 90 more feet. And then it looks like a little ridge, and that's probably where the trail's at. Getting there. I'm not gonna beat the sun. The sun's got 500 feet on me now. But like 40 feet now. I think I was at 90 before, so 40 now. I'm actually, I think, on trail now. I don't know. It doesn't. It's some kind of ledge of safety after coming straight up a chute. You know, when I thought I was on the wrong track, I bet you this was that track. We might take this one tonight, because that was a little treacherous. Either way, we're going down the chute, so we'll be in deep snow, but I probably, yeah, fucked that up. 10 minutes till sunset. It's whooping my ass. It's not even up here, it's not up there. I can't make it 300 feet. So I'm tempted to call this. Maybe I'll go sit by these trees. Maybe there's a rock up here. The sun has whooped my ass. Now, well, tree line. This is the last of the fucking trees. I will succeed. I don't know if it's gonna be a good sunset or not, though. We'll see. If I was a little bit higher up, I don't know. We'll find out. Well, the sun won this one. But we're pretty much at a tree line here. Oh, I gotta go find a place to set my stupid chair up. So I can take these fucking boots off for a minute. There should be my sitting area. I really wish I had a kickstart. Just saying. Just saying. To think, there's people that would rather sit on this cold fucking rock than sit on a chair. Little down pants are nice. They're a little tight because I'm a little fat, but they're warm. Yeah. Venus is out. I really wish I had a kickstart. Just saying. Alright, I don't know. Down the mountain we go. I guess you can't even see it, can you? I gotta go down like 2,000 feet. Got my puffer pants on, those are about to come off. Otherwise everything is ready to go. If I'm ready to go, then they come off. Oh, I gotta get the axe out. Today I'm doing one axe, one pole on the way down, I think. Or that's what we're gonna try. So I gotta get that ready yet. Then I'm ready. I probably won't be doing much videoing for a while. Cause, yeah, I got a treacherous hike. But get to that path and then slowly go down. Got an ice axe and a pole. It should be alright. Well, now at least it's too dark to tell how steep it really is. The answer is very. Nighttime mountaineering. Fuck yeah. Oh, I see trees. You probably can't. There you can see. Yeah. Yep. There's my trail. That's where I came from. The stars are fucking insane here. Okay. That's where I came from. That was how I came up. I think we're gonna... This tree just scared the fucking piss out of me. I think we're gonna take this way down and assume it's easier. I'm starting to regret taking this other way. It's fucking deep. My side wasn't deep. It was just sketchy, my side was, because we went up a chute. It was fine. It was just a chute. I had to shed a layer. I was freaking hot. We almost dropped the phone. I had to check where we were going. This guy path sucks. I don't know where that fucking goes. But this path sucks. I can't wait to get back to fucking mine. Yep. Side of a mountain. Well, that's freaky looking over there. See how it fucking... Down we go. Whoa. Okay, so that was the other guy's way down. That's the way down the hill. And that was the way I decided to go up the mountain. It was fine. It was fine. Okay. Now we're easy and done. Alright. Back to 2 poles so I can take my gloves off. 2 miles to go. 2 miles to go. It's like 8:30, so 9:30. Hopefully get to camp at 10. Ugh. Hopefully there's nobody there. Ugh. When your eyes get adjusted, red light's good enough. Unless if you're scared of the dark. If you're scared of the dark, you might struggle with this. Man, this downhill stuff is easy. This is nice. I like this. I'm a pirate right now. I have one eye shut. So hopefully that helps. Down we go. Down we go. Look at the blue markers. Oh, battery's getting lower. We're getting there. We're getting there. I bet you this groomer is like, what in the fuck is this person doing? They're grooming like crazy. Oh, that's the only person I've seen. They're probably the closest person to me right now. Well, no. There's houses out. Battery's getting low. I'm out. Oh, I don't have my light on. We're back by the ski hill, the ski lodge. I guess I'm still using the fucking red light. Those lights are stupidly bright, but I should probably get used to them. What a day. What a day. Think that camp spot's open? Question mark? Question mark? What time is it? 9:48. Got 8 minutes. Look how nice and smooth this is for me. Fresh, groomed. Oh man. That's the treatment. Which way do we go now? I forget. I think it's this way. Oh. There be the truck. Hurrah! We made it. We made it. 9:56. Yeah. Let's go. Let's fucking go. All the windows are broken. That's sick. Look at all the mud. But home. Well, I gotta drive down to where I wanna hopefully be home. Everything hurts. Okay. I am beat. I gotta go like 6 miles down this hill and it's icy and it's... At least we're going down, I guess. It's Sprite time. It's not a kickstart on the top of the mountain, but it'll work for now. Oh man, everything hurts. Everything hurts. Okay. Got fucking 10% at the moment. It was fucking wet earlier. So, yeah, it's 9%, 3% sideways. I just don't want to fucking start slipping. Slide right down the fucking hill with my giant rig. So here's my truck. The river's down there. And I've got a fire going. I'm making food. It's late, but I don't know. It seemed like a good place by the river. Everything should be wet. I'm still fucking worried about this fucking tree, but here we are. Oh, making dinner. Babysitting the shit out of this fire until it fucking relaxes a little bit. Got a little out of control here. I don't like it, but I'm watching it. I've got fucking water and a fire extinguisher, so there's a fucking river over there. Everything should be wet.